So here we are, it's bright and early again, 7 a.m. I'm starting to sense a theme here.
Yes.
Wake up early and you beat the heat in Moab.
Definitely do that.
And this morning we are at Raven's Zipline.
Raven's Rim Zipline Adventure.
And this is new. What I like about this is right in town. This is the first thing we've done.
Yeah, so basically you leave from right here, you hop on one of these razors, and we pop up here to the zip line.
Ride a razor, take a zip, ride over Moab early in the morning. Let's do this.
Just chilling by taking a break. These guys look like they could use my help, so Ron's probably gonna start working on it, so I should probably get out of the way. So tell us about what we did this morning, John.
Well, this morning, Chad, we woke up really early and went ziplining. And it all started with a razor ride. I'm just saying, it's a metal cage, you're all packed in there, you're bouncing around, and the thing is driving so hard and so fast, a tire just explodes in the middle of it.
Yeah,
you really are in a blender. But the zipline, it is a very cool spot for the zipline. They've got 2 quarter-mile runs, which are fun.
You get up on that ridge, and it's crazy. Like, you are surrounded by this massive amount of desert and slick rock and hard rock and beautiful rock cliffs. And here is this oasis of Moab. It's this green valley right in the midst of all of it.
The rocks make for cool run out and launch yourself off.
And it's not a big investment of time. I mean, if you don't have a lot of time, you don't want to spend a lot of time with your family doing one thing, get it there early in the morning, late in the evening, a couple hours, then you're done. All right, a lot of people don't know it, but it's been proven by fact that world famous margaritas are happening here in Moab. Margaritas, Moab, I think there's something going. Now, on this street corner right here on Main is world famous margaritas. Directly across the street is the best margaritas in Moab. We will try the world famous and the best margarita in Moab, and I'll make a decision.
Have I ever had that?
That looks awesome. All right. Now, do you recommend, Jose, just going straight to the straw for the first sip, or do you go to the salt on the side? Salt on the side. Now I know why it's really good. Among other things, it's hot outside, and the ice is not crushed, but like tiny cubes. Cools you down. What else is the special magic that's in there?
No mixers.
No mixers.
Everything fresh, nothing but liquor.
Fresh limes, it's delicious. Thank you.
So big.
That's what she said.
Yeah.
This is supposed to be the best margarita in Moab. It's much, much sweeter. Yeah, it's much sugarier. This kind of tastes like margarita from Mix. Okay, people, after not much deliberation at all, the winner is world famous margaritas, hands down. Natural ingredients, not your sugary margarita mix type thing that just kind of came out of a plastic jug. So the winner is tequila on the rocks. We are about to embark with the Canyonlands by Night and Day tour. This is the express tour on a jet boat. Right now we're taking off, and we're actually gonna shoot from this boat to another boat. We're on the Colorado River, and we've got Captain Ron back here that's gonna take care of us, and we're gonna fly up and down this river in a jet boat, and it should be super fun. Okay, so we just finished our express tour, 1 hour up and down the Colorado River. For those of you with short hair, you're golden. For those of you with long hair or long-ish hair, this boat goes 46 miles an hour upstream and 55 miles an hour downstream. And as a favor to the person next to you, and probably the person behind you, depending on how long your hair is, you're gonna wanna tighten that stuff up or put on some head cover. Now, I had my fancy new headband that John was making fun of, so I didn't bring it on this trip, but it would have just been the perfect thing to tighten it down. But yeah, it's a bad hair day for me.
Well, Chad, how was jet boating?
It was wet.
It was wet.
Yes. There was one wave in particular that was all green water that came up over the bow and just was like, went right up the nose. So I got a good nasal bath out of it. But it was fun, yeah. I will say this, it's 1,000 degrees out, the water's about 60 degrees. And on the way back, I was like, that was cold.
And to book any jet boat tour you want, go to moabadventurecenter.com. Please subscribe to our channel for more adventures in Idaho and in places like Moab and beyond. Follow us on social media. If you have any questions for us, we'd love to see it in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.